Hey, what's up guys, this is D4. Today's video will be me reviewing this USB-C product sent by ComCare for me to review it. So, let's start. Now the product came in a simple box. There's no logo in the front, there's no company name in the front, it's just a sticker with a barcode in front of it. And when you open the box, you immediately see the USB-C hub and the user manual underneath it. The USB-C hub feels very solid, and somehow when you open it, it has that smell of when you open a new MacBook. And the sides, it also has the same texture as a MacBook. And you also have a USB-C power delivery cable at the end. Now looking at the top view, you have the company's name in front of it engraved in tempered glass, and the USB-C hub has a flat aluminum base, and as for the ports, it has a total of 8 ports. So one side has 2 USB-A 3.0 ports, 1 USB-C port, and on the front it has a TF and SD card reader. And on the other side, you have a 4K HDMI port, another USB-C port, and what surprises me is that it has a 3.5mm audio jack. Now this is something that you don't see often in any other USB-C hubs. So for me, this is the first time I've seen it in a USB-C hub. Now this USB-C hub works for both Mac and Windows laptop. The price in Amazon is about $48, and if you're interested, I will leave the link on the description box below. Now there are no other colors for this particular USB-C hub. However, ComCare has another USB-C hub that has a space gray color, but it has a total of 9 ports. Now the difference between this one and the other one is that it has a total of 9 ports, and it has 3 USB-A 3.0 ports and 1 USB-C port, with an additional of an Ethernet cable port. Now let's do some tests on how fast this USB-C hub is in transferring data from my SD card here, which I used for taking pictures in Las Vegas. So all of my pictures from Las Vegas will be in here. And yeah, let's try it now. Okay, so it's done, and it took about 20 seconds for me to transfer about 500-ish photos, and yeah, I would say it's pretty fast. But sadly, I don't have a TF card for me to test on it, because in the manual it says that you can transfer from your SD card to the TF card or vice versa. So yeah, overall I would say that I would actually use this USB-C hub compared to my previous one, which is the Applum one that I'm using. This is actually the one that I've been using for transferring data, and it's actually been working really good. I really enjoyed using this, but what I don't like about it is that it just doesn't have a flat base like the ComCare here, and whenever I'm transferring data, there's like some noise whenever, like, yeah, I don't really like that. Alright, that's it for today. Thank you guys for watching. Leave a comment down below of what you think of the video. And if you liked it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you guys don't want to miss any new videos, don't forget to click on that subscribe button. That is it for today. This is D4, and I'll be seeing you guys later.